This is the Plumas County Sheriff's Office with a mandatory evacuation order for the residents west of the Highway 36 and Highway 89 junction, west along the south side of Highway 36 to the county line and south of Highway 36 to Rock Lake and west to the county line due to a wildfire. You should leave the area immediately. If you remain, emergency personnel may not be able to help you. Those evacuating should go to the Memorial Hall in Chester. Please visit the Plumas County Sheriff's Office Facebook page or visit Plumas County website for more information.